Hello, welcome to Twist Fashion. Today we're going to be making a tulle flower for a fascinator hat. So what you will need is some tulle or netting, however you want to call it, needle and thread, scissors, and that's it. Right, so get your tulle, lay it out, fold it double about 2 inches wide. And that's your first piece. I'm going to cut that. You can also add another colour, but I'm going to stick with just lilac for now. So cut that out. It doesn't have to be overly neat because I'll show you in a minute you'll be cutting the edge anyway. Right. You could also have folded it double. I think I'm going to do 2 of those just to give it extra depth and colour. So I'm just going to cut one more. And fold your piece in half. And you can start cutting it. Actually, I'm going to fold it again so it's less work. And once again. And you're going to cut it as in petals. So little points up to about halfway. Just cut little triangles out. Once you've done it all, and both pieces, you sew it together in the next step. So once you've cut all the little triangles out, the petals, you can start sewing it. So all you're going to do is zigzag through. So I have done other flower making tutorials, which you can see on my channel, so please do take a look at those if you're interested. If you're I've done other hat making videos. Also, please leave any comments down below if you want to see other videos being made. I know it's a difficult time right now for everybody, but maybe this is something to keep you busy in these difficult times. Hope you're all healthy anyway, healthy and well, and everyone's well looked after. So I'm just going to pull that through. And it's already starting to take shape. Only my thread has got a bit tangled now. Alright, so keep going. And pull that tight. Don't pull it all the way through. Then once that's sort of arranged, you could arrange it kind of in a circle and sew that closed. And then spread out the petals. Sort of pull them apart. And you could add that to say like a nice disc shape, or a bow, anything you like. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe if you want to see more hat making ideas and other DIYs, and stay safe, and I'll see you soon hopefully. Take care.